Okay guys, I've known it's been a very long time since I've uploaded a video, but here I am. I'm gonna take the Proboat Shockwave with the hobbyking outboard motor, and we're gonna have a little fun. Originally this boat is supposed to be a center console, but I didn't have time to finish off that part of the project as yet, so I'm just taking it out just as it is for a little run, and decided why not upload a video. Well folks, after a 2-minute drive, guess what happened? The flex broke. Luckily I have a spare, so we're gonna run it again tomorrow.